Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp that says this account can no longer use due to spam. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, if you see this message on your WhatsApp, don't worry, I've got you. What you're gonna need to do is to long press your WhatsApp and then go to App Info. Now click the clear data and then you can start all over again the WhatsApp. Select your language and then click next and click the privacy policy. Now scroll all the way down and go to Contact Us section and then click Contact Us. Now choose I need help with my WhatsApp account and then go to if you think your account was banned, click this article. And now you can take time reading that, and once you're done, go all the way down to Contact Us and then select Contact Us from WhatsApp Messenger support. Now enter your phone number, email address, confirm your email address, and then what device you use to your WhatsApp account. And now once you finish that, you can state now your reason. For example, my account was banned and I think it was a technical issue. Please bring back my account. And once you're done to that, the WhatsApp now will review your account and hopefully it will bring back to you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.